Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your BMW X3. First, gather all necessary tools like a wrench, an oil filter housing tool, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct synthetic oil and a new filter ready. Always work on a level surface and use jack stands for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure oil change process. Now, let's drain the old oil. Warm the engine for a few minutes. This helps the oil flow out more easily. Carefully locate the oil drain plug underneath the vehicle and remove it with the appropriate wrench. Position your drain pan to catch all the old oil, allowing it to completely empty before proceeding. If you are finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music and get information hands-free. Check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Carefully remove the old oil filter housing and discard the used filter element. It is crucial to replace the old O-rings with new ones provided with your new filter. Install the new filter element into the housing, then tighten the housing to the manufacturer's specified torque for a secure seal. With the filter replaced, reinsert the drain plug with a new washer and tighten it securely. Now, it's time to add the fresh oil. Consult your owner's manual for the exact capacity and pour in the recommended amount of new synthetic oil. Finally, use your BMW's electronic dipstick system to accurately check the oil level.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.